What's up, friends? So it's been a little while since I posted. I don't know what I've been doing. I guess I've been pretty busy with work and such. And today it's like 91 degrees. I think it's actually hotter than that. It's piping hot. I'm heading over to the car wash or to the bike wash, whatever you want to call it. And I figured I'd take a moment to share some progress that I've made on the Yamaha MTE concept that I've kind of been radio silent on this channel for a while. Let's chat. Got the old Chevy dropped on the floor, riding low. Uh-oh. Whoop, whoop, breaking the law. I'm gonna park in the shade here for a second. It's over 90 degrees. It's hot. So the MTE, I'll be honest, I started the project off and with the end goal in mind, which is to at least work on developing my 3D modeling skills. So I jumped into 3D probably much sooner than I would have or even should have in a normal process. And because of that, I didn't go through as long, or didn't go through the, I'll say, the proper exploration phase up front. And so I had a couple loose inspirations as far as like vehicle types. So I was looking back to some classic Yamaha race bikes ridden by Giacomo Agostini, and I was like, all right, cool, this could start off as a modern sport bike of some sort. And then I deviated from that and started thinking, well, let's go electric and something that's more rideable on the street, so why not an electric MTE? The name has certainly stuck, the MTE, but I didn't necessarily take as much time to define the aesthetics and like the form inspiration, like go through and find proper inspo, like from nature, let's say. This is a nice little, it's like rhino liner. It's interesting. Actually, I don't think I like it. It's like almost metallic, but it's not. It's just the texture. Sounds good. In lieu of proper exploration, I just jumped right into 3D because that was the point. That was what I was trying to really get after and develop. So, I mean, here's where I'm at. This is a little bit of Photoshop over it, but here's the direction that I've chosen to go after. At the earlier stages that were really heavy on the like MTE, I'll say on the MT train, were a little bit too busy. There was too much happening. And they were, I think, had some interesting elements that I wanted to keep. And I did keep the certain gesture around the front of the tank, this little bit different Hosack style suspension setup. I kept those things, but I've started to bring back in some inspiration from like early Yamaha sport bikes. So it has this kind of MTE sport naked feel, but I've simplified a number of things and incorporated some of that classic form language and shapes. So I mean, I'm happy with where it's turning out, and I'll continue to share progress on this. And again, I haven't really figured out what channel I'm going to put all this stuff on. I have some sketches on my other channel, the Charade Design channel. I'll put a link in the description here. Feel free to check that out. But I also kind of like the idea of having everything live in one place. But we'll see. If you have any comments or preferences, if you don't mind seeing some of these videos tucked in between bike reviews or whatever. That's cool. Let me know. If you hate it, let me know as well. But I'm going to keep plugging along on this project, and somewhere I'll be sharing it with you. And I'd love to hear your feedback. Think it's cool? Think it's weird? Soon enough, hopefully by the end of this month, I'll have some parts that are ready to 3D print, and I'll start printing out a scale model and start assembling, painting, assembling. I don't have a workshop at the moment, so I'll have to figure out where I'm gonna sand and paint, but I'll tackle that when I get there, I suppose. Whew, I am cooking up 95 degrees right now. So anyway, I hope that you think this project is cool. If you don't, that's alright. But I will be doing another project soon that I'll go through the full ideation, exploration, and I'll do that right. So keep an eye out for that. That should be a cool project. And again, I'll develop that in 3D as well, but I'll make sure I have a bit more discipline on the front end of the project, and to show you that whole piece of the process as well. Let's see, does this thing work? Maybe, maybe not. Stole my money last time. Oh, I think it's working. Oh, damn.
God damn it, you motherfucker!
Just got me. Alright, here I go. Peace.